You find me today in one of those glorious Devon blue sky sun-trapped days. This property has been in the same family ownership for over 100 years. It is absolutely delicious. Does need some updating, it's perfectly livable within, but if you want to wake up every morning and see Dartmoor on the horizon, that is what you are going to do if you become the purchaser of this great 4-bed detached home with plenty of parking, gardens which stretch way up, and you'll see more of those in a moment. What I love about this home is you've got a really cosy sitting room here with the front door leading into it. You've got an ingot fireplace, you've got a clome oven. It's a winter room, and off to the right of me through the windows, over the front garden, across the hedgerow, fields, and you see Dartmoor. But also within here, there is a very, very large family stroke another sitting room, which is great for entertaining. I'll show you that in a second. So here we are in the second sitting room, or family room, as I was talking about. It's a great room. It's about 18 foot long. Again, a log burner inset in the fireplace. And off to the right of me, I'm looking up the garden that just stretches about 200-300 metres. And the more you go up into that, you've got an incredible view waiting to be shown and seen. So I mentioned at the beginning of this introduction, Dartmoor. Just look over my shoulder. There it sits. And can you imagine being here an evening with that just lit up with sunset? I mean, it's extraordinary here. You've got outbuildings galore, you've got lovely fruit orchards. This home has really been loved and thoroughly enjoyed, and you get that lovely feeling as you go into it that it just wants to hug you. I'm Adrian from Fine & Country in Great Torrington. 01 805 626 999. Do give myself or the team a ring. We'd love to talk to you about this and show you this home. It is very special. And that is the noise you get at the moment. Nothing but the rustle of leaves, wind and bird life.